forgot that she got new eyeshadow palettes yesterday, so this somebody wants to play with one of them today. So I'm gonna use the Morphe, the 35XS, No Silent Nights. So this has, like I got this because I wanted a gray, just because Saint does not have a gray color. So I'm going to be using this color today called Dusk Whisper, right here. So I'm gonna be using that. I might even use this Starry Eyes right here as a glitter on the lid. So I'm going to use my Anastasia. This is my eye primer. It's the mini eye primer. I don't even know if she has a full-size primer. And then just like a wide brush. Okay, my eyebrows are a week in now, so I can get makeup on them. Not that I want to, but I'm just tapping on this Anastasia eye primer. I do like it because it's white versus flesh color like most of them are. Like to sweep it out just a little bit. So that will do it for the eye primer. I do like to set it with powder just so that the colors don't get muddy. This is the Essence Brighten Up, and is there like their banana powder? Baba Banana. To do your eyes first because then you can cover up any of this stuff that you've gone outside the lines with. All right, so I'm gonna use my BK Beauty brushes. I love my BK Beauty brushes. So we have the 202 brush. These are on sale, by the way. 203 brush, the 207 brush, the 204 brush, and then we have the eyeliner one, 208 brush. Yeah, 208. I rarely ever use that brush though, to be honest. And I'm going to be doing kind of like a cut crease today, so I'm going to use the flat shader brush, like the number 203, and going into that, I'm actually going to start with Over the Taupe, which is a lighter gray in here, just because if I apply a dark gray, it's going to look patchy. So going in with the Over the Taupe, I need a bigger desk. And I'm putting this eyelash curler right in the corner of my eye. And it's this way, it's not this long way, it's this way. And I'm just gonna tap on. Tapping is gonna give you like a better color payout. I might not even have to do that other color. This is a pretty dark color as it is. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of like sweep this towards the tail of my brow. So if you have hooded eyes, I've been doing my eyes this way just because you see how my crease is starting to disappear as I open my eyes. This just helps to actually make me look like I have a crease. Well, actually, I might enhance it. I'm gonna go into a different brush that I've been using. This is just like a Miss AOA brush. I don't even know what it is, but it's very, very fine. And then I'm gonna go into that Dusk Whisper color. And I'm just going to kind of like draw under that Over the Taupe that I just did. This eyelid wants to be a pain and be wrinkly. I'm gonna take a clean pencil brush and just kind of soften that just a little bit. Right, there is one other trick that I have up my sleeve, and that is my old school Alexis Vogel shadow chamois. You could go to the dollar store and buy a chamois and cut it into a triangle. But basically, I'm going to give myself a cat eye look, kind of. So I'm extending from the lower lash line up towards the brow. And with that Dusk Whisper, that color that I just did, I'm going underneath the corner. The corner is the important part here. Okay, see this? I don't want to go up too far over this crease because then it's just going to look weird. And I'm going to softly blend this out with the 202 brush, like that. And then I do want to do that Starry Eyes in the, out here on the, like right here on my eye. Go into that Starry Eyes, which is such a pretty color. So I might do like Starry Eyes on the outer and then the Silver Bells on the inner. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my brush a little bit wet just so we get good color payout. hopefully. Put my brush off, and then I'm gonna go into that Silver Bells color. All right, I'm going to take the pencil brush, wipe it off, and I'm gonna go into this color called Flurry Up. And just clean up the brow area. Over the taupe was definitely more taupe than I wanted. It looks great in the pan, but it's definitely more taupey. So I'm gonna do my mascara and then my lashes off camera, and then I'll come back with the final look. It's a good thing that the makeup brings it all together. So I'm still not too impressed with the taupe color, but I love the starry eyes and the Silver Bells on my lid. Those are so pretty. So next time I would probably just start with Dusk Whisper and then kind of blend it out with All Is Bright or something like that in this makeup palette. But I do like how my makeup brought it together. This is Saint Cream makeup for anyone that doesn't know, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you pick up this palette? This also has some like looks that you could do. So you could do Shimmer and Shine, Classic Glamour Eye, Naughty and Nice Halo Eye, Lined and Defined Cat Eye, and then it gives you like an eye chart or something like that. But so, final look, guys. I will link this for you if you want to buy it.